knife needs sharpening. Squeeze them in there tight. You draw through, you can only get sharper. Puts the original edge back in any blade. How about that? Finish it off on a piece of leather or cardboard. And that'll polish that edge and get you a little bit better again. Try your knife. Feel better? Yeah. Good. Here's some Damascus steel. Oh, another one of that. What's her name? Cindy.
Don.
You squeeze them in there tight. Draw through. Not from Ding-a-Donga. It's American made. We'll do every blade. There you go. $24.99, eh? $24.99. But today I got them on sale at 20 bucks each. I'll buy one. Sure. Alright. Alright, sounds great.
You take a card?
Yeah, we do cards. There it should be. I just realized I can sharpen the top part of this Damascus Bowie knife. I wasn't sure, I just tried it. Pull it through. Because the way my sharpener rods flex, they follow, they jump right up in there. Heck yeah. Block Sharpener, we'll grab any edge. Thank you.
I wasn't sure how to.
That's pretty badass. As you can see, my pin squeezed back, so and it is as quick as can be. Block Sharpener, we will sharpen any blade.